All right, so let's start setting up our exchange. But before we do that, I just noticed I had a little error, and the error is that I'm computing the average of this LST variable that we created earlier, but we changed it to sentiment list, so I'm just going to change that in all these places. Okay, and yeah, so let's start building out or getting our API key from the exchange. Now, for this course, for the cryptocurrency bots, we will be using Binance. Now, Binance is a very good exchange to use, especially as an algorithmic trader. I've been using them for quite a while, and I haven't had any issues yet. So I personally recommend them, but there are other exchanges with APIs. You just need to search up Crypto Exchange API if you don't want to use Binance, but we will be using Binance. Now, here, what you need to do is log in, and I'm not going to show you everything I'm doing on this website just because you can see my account information, and I do have quite a bit of money in this exchange. So, yeah, I'll be skipping through, but I will explain how to get the API key. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click the login button. Now, I'm going to log in, and I'll see you guys afterwards. Okay, so I just logged in, and once you log in, you'll notice that you can get the Bitcoin prices. You can click this grid icon and then go to exchange, and you'll have the entire exchange where you can place orders, you can do all that sort of thing. If you want to buy crypto, you can go here and you can buy it with Visa, MasterCard. You can do P2P, which is just a marketplace between people. So you can sell crypto to people or you can buy crypto from people. And then there's third-party payments, which is just, as you know, just a third-party company that you're paying through. And then we have a bunch of different options. We have the markets, we have trade, we have derivatives, and we have the finance section. Now, the one that we'll be using is you'll have to go to your profile icon here, and then you'll have to click API management. Now, I'm not going to click it because when you click it, you'll see your API keys. But when you click API management, you have to create a new app. You have to call it something, and once you do that, you'll have access to an API key and a secret key. Okay, so once we set that up, we can go back to our code, and we can create two variables. So not here in my config.py, I'm going to create two variables. I don't want to show you my config.py just because I also already have my API keys stored there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to set two variables, Binance key equal to a string, and Binance secret, and this is also going to be equal to a string, and I'm just going to put my keys inside of these strings. Okay, so just copy this and paste it into config, and I'm going to do that, and I'll see you afterwards. Okay, so once you do that, then you've successfully configured your project with the Binance API. If you do need to sign up with it, I will have my referral link so that we can both get cryptocurrencies when you sign up. Yeah, if you don't have an account, click that link and we both get Bitcoin. But if you already have an account, let's start creating the order logic. And that's what we're going to do in the next video, so I will see everyone there.